to Divine Intervention. I'm here to do another general collective reading. I do kind of feel like it's a love reading though. So I haven't really been getting any like downloads or messages, but the last 2 days I've been hearing that song Angel, and I think it's by Angela Winbush, I want to say. I could be wrong, don't quote me, but that's the song that I'm hearing, and I think that's who it's by. So someone is realizing they know who they love. But to be honest, I am picking up a third party. So hopefully with this feeling like it's a love reading, we'll get something a little bit more positive than what's actually been coming out. But it has been like over and over and over and over and over and over again, this song. So somebody's got love on the brain. Shout out to Rihanna. Riri. It's my girl. I love some Riri. I feel like we got an early spring. I don't know, it's been rather nice, and it's been rather nice earlier, at least where I'm at, than earlier in the year than it normally is. So I've been kind of enjoying that because I am not a fan of the cold. So let's go ahead and get started here. Dreams. I'm hearing Beauty and the Beast. So this could definitely be a situation where there is a relationship where the female has kind of like tamed a masculine, but with kindness and compassion and caring and nurturing, just very, very gentle. This beast was not tamed with any type of aggression or suppression or control or dominance. It was all, I'm hearing high vibration energy that was used to tame this beast. That's beautiful. Patience, yeah, at the bottom of the deck. So this is definitely a divine feminine who has had a lot of patience with a masculine energy. But it looks like it's become, I'm hearing a dream come true. Aw, that's so sweet. So someone may, with that song, someone may look at a feminine energy like his angel. Beauty. He thinks you're beautiful inside and out. But there's a snake here up in the corner there with this woman. So someone may be like watching. I told you I felt other energies around this like Two of Cups energy. So there's somebody slithering around. I'm hearing watching and waiting. Hole in the soul at the bottom of the deck. So that would make sense that this snake is here. I'm hearing condemned, condemned. These people who are watching and waiting are like condemned people. Give me one more, please. Family and tribe. I believe I got that in the last reading. So this is definitely about a divine union, counterparts, whatever you want to call it, soulmates, however you want to look at it. But this is a situation where these two people belong together. So it makes sense that this feminine energy was able to tame this masculine energy. It's her person. I'm hearing she was the only person that could do it. Wow. Okay, I like this reading. All right. Bottom of the deck, discover your life purpose. This man is serenading this woman. But again, there's like apparition type figure behind this masculine man here. So there is a third party lurking around somewhere. Yeah. And you got wild underneath. So this person may be like stalking at nighttime. It's definitely coming out as a feminine energy. That's like a third party in this situation. But this person may be like creeping around in the middle of the night. Yeah, hole in the soul, wild. This person can't sleep. Like there's something this person feels like something is chasing them. So they're like up all night. But they're up all night, like kind of like stalking this. I don't know if it's the masculine or feminine energy yet, but the snake is here in this feminine's in this card here with this feminine. So can go out on the limb here and say that it's the feminine that this person is stalking. Oh, and I just realized one of my cards was off to the side outside of the deck, and it's love. So, yeah, this is a divine partnership here that we're talking about. I like this so far, but let's see what else the energy has for us. This is nice. This is beautiful. There's a tiger in both of these two. And I was picking up the other day bloodlines. So with this family and tribe, this could be like a ancestral thing where this bloodline, this union of these two people were like always supposed to come together. I'm hearing that it was supposed to happen a long time ago. These two bloodlines were supposed to come together a long time ago. Now, they're saying that it's not necessarily these two people that is in this current energy. It's not necessarily these two people that were supposed to come together, but it is the bloodline that is supposed to come together. Fate. My apologies, y'all. It just cut off again. So we know how that go. I actually been seeing it happen to quite a few people, readers that I actually watch. And I mean, it's just that these people don't want these messages out. So why is dreams here? It's the Ten of Wands. Yeah, this feminine energy brought this masculine out of a dark place. Yeah, High Priestess. You got the tiger. This is the third tiger. Actually, look how those colors, the colors of that that ball that is in front of the High Priestess. Could be a crystal ball, but it matches the wings of this woman, this feminine energy. But it took a lot. And I heard that this was the only person that could do it. But she brought this masculine out of a dark place. I heard Beauty and the Beast. So, makes sense, right? Why is Beauty here? Why is Beauty here? We got Judgment and the Ten of Cups. Yeah, this is an energy. Nine of Swords. So this could be an energy that this feminine carries or embodies. But it's from the Most High God for sure. And it's in regards to ultimate happiness. The Ten of Cups. They keep saying the paradigm. To me, it makes sense because I feel like, and I said it before, that the whole male-female connection is like in the trash right now. I mean, you got all types of things going on between men and women, masculine and feminine energies, and it's all low vibrational. It's all tearing each other down and trying to embarrass and trying to destroy essentially the other person. And it's like, I don't think that's what the Most High God had in mind when he created. I'm certain of it, that it was not what he had in mind. This is not what he had in mind. And this is what's happening right now. Yeah. Eight of Wands at the bottom. That feels like reset. Like, oh, no, 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 no. This is not what this was supposed to be. So there's a shift taking place between the masculine and feminine dynamic. It feels like healing. It feels like tearing it all down and rebuilding it back up. Because where it's at now is not what it was intended to be. It's Judgment Day, baby. That's what I'm getting. It's Judgment Day. God said, yeah, no, we're not doing that. That's what we're not going to do. Why is family and tribe here? Justice. I told you. Balance. Yin and yang. Dark and balance in the dark and light. The masculine and feminine like connection, the dynamic. Wow. I love this. I love this. This is healing energy. Even though I don't have that temperance energy out here, but I definitely feel it, especially with this justice card. Because the bar is in hell right now. I don't know if anyone has noticed, but the whole man-woman connection dynamic is in the trash. Like, the bar is in hell right now. There's no standard expectation for how the man and woman treat each other. Like, people are doing unthinkable things in the name of a relationship, and that is not what God. I mean, I'm pretty sure, I'm not God, but I'm pretty sure that's not what He wanted, and that was not what He intended. We wouldn't have been made so complex. The Most High God took His time with us. Think about how, just think about how our body functions, our organs, and it was very detailed, very methodic. So you're not going to tell me that there wasn't a methodical plan for this man and woman dynamic. There was, and it's in the trash right now. So this is a reset here on that 10 of Cups. With 10 Cups and family and tribe, this is a reset. You got justice and judgment. And then to clarify it all, baby, bottom of the deck, 4 Wands. It's got to be put back together. That looks like an eye to me. He see us. He see what's happening right now. There's also what looks like you got the Mother of Cups and the Son of Cups here with this 4 Wands. So there could be some balancing needed. Yeah, 7 of Pentacles in the Tower. It didn't, what I'm hearing, and Hierophant. Wow. So something about mothers and sons here. And then you got 7 of Pentacles, the Tower, and the Hierophant at the end. I told you, it's being all torn down because it didn't grow. And they're saying to look at this in the 7 of Pentacles, look how this kind of like this branch is bent. It did not grow properly. So it's kind of like, they're telling me it's kind of like when, I don't know if you've ever seen like a really young child with with like casts on their legs where they have to, I've never had to have this done with any child or been present or been around when any child had this done, but they have to get their legs broken so that they will set properly. And that's what I'm being told. That's what I'm getting here. I like this because we are definitely in need of a reset as a whole. It makes me sad to think about how men and women treat each other now, because that was never the plan. No one will ever be able to convince me that how things are now between men and women, that was God's plan. It wasn't. It wasn't. Not even a little bit. So I'm happy to see this because we are in desperate need of it. It's on the way, y'all. Because I know if anyone has felt like I felt, it's kind of, you feel hopeless for like the future, like children, and like you just feel, it makes you feel hopeless when you see men and women behaving this way toward each other. Okay, give me one for dreams and 10 of Wands, please. Coffee cup. Yep, I told you it was gentle. Meeting, conversing, savoring the moment, feeling uplifted, friendship. Yeah, this was, I'm hearing it was gradual too. But we did have that patience card come up, so it makes sense. This took some time. This took some time. And this is giving me, this is a collective energy. This isn't happening to just a few people. This is a collective energy. So this is happening all over the world. Shout out to these feminine energies, man, with this 10 of Wands out here. This is a lot. This is a lot. And it takes a hell of a person in general, but also a hell of a woman to do this. Give me one for beauty, 10 of Cups and Judgment, please. I'll take these two. Twin flames in the boat. Yin and yang. I said it, didn't I? Yeah, I think I said it. I'm about sure I said it because I was there when I said it. Progression, moving on, closure, issues. Like, this was needed. So it's restoring the masculine, feminine, the yin and yang dynamic, which is awesome. They keep saying Judgment Day. It's Judgment Day. Family and tribe and justice, please. Two. Kisses and love. That's it right there, baby. This is what God intended. Man and woman were supposed to balance each other out. Yin and yang. That was the whole plan. I love this. Okay, let's see here. I am going to do pull a couple of these and then I'll close out with one of my fairies. Give me two, please. Oh, I got three. So we have veil, discovering, isthmus. So we definitely got yeah, we did get that like 8 of Wands energy that was kind of like that lightning energy, and this is giving me like fireworks. Discovering, look at that. And that's the lotus flower there. And with the heart. This feels so good. This is wonderful energy. And I'm just hearing restart. It's a reset, a restart on this energy. That 9 of Swords energy that came up. Because that's where we at, though. That's what it feels like right now. I'm hearing that we are like connecting with the higher dimensions. Something's being unlocked here. But it's this energy here. It's this Ten of Cups that's being unlocked or reset. Give me one to close it out, please. Help is on the way, I'm hearing, guys. Help is on the way. Prince, excuse me. Prince of Spring. I said it right. Help is on the way. Charming, self-confident, passionate, restless, immediate action. You hear what I'm saying here? Immediate action. A challenge you can successfully manage. A passionate relationship. That is bomb. Okay? I mean, it's all there. But I kept hearing that song. I kept hearing that song, Angel, for 2 days. And it's talking about this collective feminine energy right now that has endured this Ten of Wands to heal. This collective energy is a part of this reset that we're getting. But yeah, I kept hearing that song, Angel. So now I know why. And we got our Knight in Shining Armor. That energy is coming in. That says immediate action. So it's coming. It's coming. The Most High God wants us to do this the way it was intended, the way it was planned. So he is taking action now. I'm here to send in the troops. So yeah, that's beautiful energy. I love it, love it, love it, love it. I'm going to go ahead and leave it there. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next reading. Take care.